Hi there and welcome back to another episode of the KAPPA Lab Research Center. Today we've got a KAPPA K4s with a lovely black matte color. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a capacity test. So Alex is going to try and see how much of his usual stuff that he fits into his bike trip he can fit into this box. Alright, so as you can see, Alex pretty much fit all his daily essentials. Yeah, with the K4s you can fit pretty much anything you want for a weekend trip, even for a week trip. It's pretty good. So I think we both give it a thumbs up.